sporting events, live music, theme parks, hospital operating rooms, social media platforms. Want to know what all of these have in common? At some point, everything we love and depend on that requires power has been brought to life through the minds and hands of an electrical worker. Electricians vary in their specialty, but generally they are responsible for installing and maintaining electrical systems, troubleshooting and repairing problems, and making sure all systems are safe and meet all relevant codes and regulations. Electricians also work with blueprints and other technical documents to plan and install electrical systems. How do you become an electrician? There are a few different ways to become an electrician, but typically the most proven model requires completing an electrical apprenticeship. That's what we offer. Our program provides our apprentices tuition-free training and the ability to earn a paycheck from the first day you start. During your apprenticeship, you will work under the supervision of a licensed electrician called a journeyman, and he or she will provide you with the hands-on training in all aspects of electrical work. Most apprenticeships last between 4 and 5 years and include at least 144 hours of classroom instruction each year. To become an apprentice, you must have a high school diploma or GED, be 18 years old or older, and pass a basic math and reading skills test. After completing an apprenticeship, electricians graduate or turn out as a journeyman electrician, which usually comes with a significant raise in pay. What kind of work can you expect after becoming a licensed journeyman electrician? Typically, electrical work falls into 3 different categories. Commercial electrical work involves installing and maintaining electrical systems in non-residential structures such as hospitals, data centers, stadiums, and manufacturing plants. Industrial electrical work involves installing and maintaining electrical systems in industrial facilities such as powerhouses and nuclear plants. Or residential electrical work, which involves installing and maintaining electrical systems in single-family or multifamily homes. So, what does it take for you to be successful as an electrician? To be a successful electrician, you need a natural curiosity on how things work, a strong work ethic, attention to detail, and a desire to solve problems. Becoming an electrician is rewarding, and you will almost always be in demand in a field that cannot be outsourced. Each type of electrical work requires specialized knowledge and training, as well as strong communication and project management skills. You are only as good as the training you receive, and our proven apprenticeship model provides the finest training and technology available in the industry today.